Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word inured. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. After working in healthcare for many years, she had become inured to the sight of blood and injuries. The word inured in this sentence means to become accustomed or hardened to something unpleasant, typically through prolonged exposure or experience. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.